All right, well today we are going to be doing a walkthrough of online account opening. Just as a little disclaimer before we get started, because this is kind of a test environment, as we go through the demo, any rates or things you see very well may be out of date compared to what is in the live production environment. So for updated rates and stuff like that, just make sure you're looking at our regular stuff. Don't go by what you see in this video. So once you get started, obviously you're gonna come to this page here and it's just giving you some basic stuff to apply. You can read through that on your own, but it's pretty straightforward information. But we'll just quickly meet the criteria and we are to our welcome screen. So right here, our drop down is asking us to choose our products. And when I click that, I can see a list of pretty much everything the bank offers here as far as accounts you might open. Checking account, savings account, kids club, CDs, they're all in here. For today, we're just gonna do a checking account. You can see when you do click on these accounts, it will give you some basic information on these. So if you're kind of interested in the accounts and want to know more about them, you can click on any of these accounts and kind of learn more about what they may offer, any rate information, any little disclaimers there. But again, for the tutorial today, we're just going to do a simply checking account. Once I selected what I would like, I'm going to click Add to Cart. And you can see that in this little cart area, it shows that I have chosen this simply checking account now. If I wanted to add more things, if I wanted to open up a savings account along with it, I could click on this Add Products or Services button, and that would allow me to add additional accounts if I wanted. Again, for now, I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. All right, email address. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, and you'll do your own. And I'm just going to ask for this. A couple of disclaimers here. Understand how we use the information, understand that. And it's going to process, and we need to fill out a form here. If you're doing this on your mobile device, you'll see the option to scan your driver's license. That's a nice little way to do that. I'm on a desktop computer right now, so I'm going to choose to fill out the form instead. All right, the first thing you're going to get here is it's going to ask for a validation code from a text message you're going to receive. And let me just grab that. My code is, okay. So I've done that. All right, now we can start putting in our information. So name's going to be John Smith. When you do this, it will pre-fill in some information as far as kind of geolocation. If it's correct, that's great. If it doesn't geolocate you properly, you can type in your own information there. That doesn't make a difference, but it will try and do that to help you out a little bit. Again, one of the nice things is if you're on your mobile device when you do this and you scan your when you do this on your mobile device, you scan your driver's license, it will pre-fill all that stuff for you. So I'm just going to put in some dummy information here. It doesn't really matter what I put in this dummy program. Social Security number, I'll put that information in there. And just asking for all this information. Again, driver's license, if you scan it, this will be pre-filled in here. And you don't have to type this stuff in. So one of the benefits of scanning and doing that. And we'll say, okay. So let's see, I've got all my information in here. Oops. Need an extra number there. Okay, employment status. You can either do this, monthly income, or if it's easier for you to do annual income, that's up to you. However you want to type that information in, and then your employer's name there. So you can, whatever your employer is, doesn't make a difference. Okay, so once you go through that, now this is a dummy environment, but what happens, you can see I got a thanks for applying here. What's going to happen is once you've put in the information, it is going to ask you to input a code that you also received in your email address with some disclaimers. And then it is going to do some ID check information for you. So it's going to do out of wallet checks, and then of course ask you to do funding. So not able to show that here very well, but really after this step, there's only about 2 or 3 more pages you would go through to complete the application. So it's a really quick and easy process, and someone will contact you right away once you've done that. So very, very quick and easy to do. Obviously down here, we kind of have our chat options. So if you do have questions as you go through that and you want to chat with somebody, you could click on that, initiate a chat with one of our team members here who could walk you through some information in that application or answer any questions. So that's it. That's online account opening. It's a very quick and easy process, and I hope this is helpful.